Hi, hello Tariq and the team. Okay, here I would like to show some kind of demo on the current ICO back office admin panel, and also with the template that Tariq already proposed to us. So most likely there's not much different if we compare with this hour, but then some additional features need to be added into the template. Okay. So for example, this dashboard, okay, and try to follow exactly as in the dashboard. We have the list of the ICO round and the status and the amounts that has been sold and so on and so forth. So try to your best to follow the same concept. And how this ICO round set up is basically in this what we call in the setting. So you see, so basically it's almost the same as in this manage ICO part. So all the rounds and so on and so forth. So okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, the first main function in the dashboard, basically you can see the registered user, okay, in our current system. So what is the difference in between the the template that we have here? Basically, just kind of a bit different. You can check here. The difference would be here, some kind of a KYC status, country and purchase, and also the actions. So basically action is basically available here, I think, right? So you can activate active user, deactivate user based on the what you call this the information of the data that have. Okay, so the most important thing is for you need to add this KYC status in this user and country and the purchase. Okay, so if you go back to this user back office, you must add kind of a functions to submit kind of documents. So basically there are three documents required here. If you go to this user KYC, user need to submit, to give the full address, their, passport, front passport, back passport, and their utility bills. Okay, so that's the things user has to submit in order for them to verify the identity. Okay, so make sure you have these three, KYC status, country, and purchase. So basically the action is basically already available in this dashboard. All right, so that's for users. Just you need to do some kind of enhancement, improve a little bit. Okay, I finished on that one. Broadcast email, it just follow as it is, as in template. Also with this, all this, and also this. Okay, you can skip, for this banned users and so on, but then if it's good to have. But I think in the template it's already there. I think the function is already there. Okay, go back to the what we call the to the our current system. So the next is transactions. So in the transactions, also there's kind of a difference if you go back to the sell log. So this is very simple. We call these transactions of the purchase token, and we have a bit kind of advanced features. For example, we have a status. If user kind of purchase, they have three different status. One, pending. Pending means that user has a purchase, have decide to purchase with some amounts, but then they haven't what I call this submit the Bitcoin payments or the Ethereum payments. So that's kind of pending. So in order to verify them, we have to check whether they have made any kind of payment. So this is basically the embedded features that we have added into this function, whether to check whether the payment has been made or not from this user. So then we can decide whether we will approve or we will reject this kind of what we call this attempt to purchase. Okay, all right. So please, you need to modify your templates to follow as our system. So this is very simple. So it's not so sufficient. To get all the information here. And the next thing is you need to add this KYC. Please, this is no KYC in this this template. Please add to this in this, probably in the user management. I don't know, but you have to add also. Even you can use the same template like this. Okay, just add one function in the user management, add users KYC. So use the same interface, something like this also is okay. So that's all. And this is delivery. Delivery means then the token sent out status or transactions. Okay, once user has purchased, and once user has purchased, sorry, we go back to transactions. Once user has purchased, has paid, okay, then we can do kind of a delivery. We can do the payout of the tokens to the user. So all this transaction is here with these with the addresses, number of tokens, and remaining tokens left in the repository and so on. Okay, so about the bonus. Okay, leave the bonus for the last task, because we have some kind of improvement on the bonus part, because we have changed the structure of the what we call the referrals, the bounty program. Leave this part. So I don't think this is the referrals here. No, website control, front end content. No, something that you need to add later on. We are finishing on the new structuring the new and do codings on the new referral or bounty program. So just leave it for the last task. And the setting is, I think for the setting, this is where we have to add our own, what we call this, wallet addresses. If user want to do some kind of payments, so we have to add all these wallet addresses. So I think this is also should be inside the template. Okay, I think it's already here. Okay, but not so many as what we have proposed in our system. We have Litecoin, SMR, Dash, Ethereum, NEM, NEO, which is not available here. Okay, here more likely have a Bitcoin, and no Ethereum at all, except for the cards and also some kind of a e-wallet, we call this gateway. Okay, so hopefully you can also add this kind of add different addresses or this into this box. Just add new boxes and for these different cryptocurrencies payments channel. Okay, alright. So email is nothing, just like templates. You are creating a template for email broadcasting, and this is issue token. Okay, the issue token means that you give you give kind of assign tokens to someone. For example, you want to give a token to token to our team, our advisors, or I mean all the stakeholders. Okay, so this is issuing token without without purchasing, without without send kind of a request to purchase and so on. So this is different functions. I think you also need to be inside the template. Please add this also, because this is important for us, issuing tokens for the team members. Okay, and I think that's all. I think if you have any questions, just let me know. And we also finishing this what I call the banking, what I call the payment gateway. We do using cards. Maybe we will send you the updates on that status. So I think the rest is fine. Just you can just go one by one functions. For example, go for start with the users, and next with the payments, and with the transactions and so on. So you have all this credential, right? For this admin, and good luck. Thank you.